Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can use the Universal mobile app to get the most out of your next Universal Orlando vacation. If you're new here, on this channel we talk about all things theme parks, including updates, news, and tips and tricks for your next theme park vacation. So if that's something you're interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button.
Anymore, the Universal app is basically a necessity
Yeah.
when you come to the parks. It is just going to make your trip that much better. They continue to add features to it, and they have already added so much to it that it has really become a very useful tool that you need to be utilizing. So the first thing we're going to show you is how to get a virtual line using the Universal app.
Once you download the mobile app, you can go ahead and navigate to the virtual line experience. From here, you can see what rides are currently offering virtual queues. Today, the only ride that is available is Race Through New York starring Jimmy Fallon. So we're gonna go ahead and select this ride and then scroll down to where it says reserve. This will pop up a counter so that you can select the number of people that are in your party. You wanna make sure that you change this number to get the correct number. We then hit continue and it offers you time slots that are currently open. So we're gonna go ahead and reserve this virtual line pass. Now it takes you back to this page where you can then pull up your virtual line pass that you scan at the entrance to the ride.
So we just secured our virtual line pass for Jimmy Fallon, so we are going to head over there and go ahead and ride it. So as we're heading over to Jimmy Fallon's, we just wanted to say this is like one of the first times we've only seen that ride being the only virtual line.
Yeah.
A lot of times you'll see Hagrid's on there, maybe the Mummy. So it's not always just Jimmy Fallon's. Just keep that in mind. A lot of times you can get on there and there'll be virtual passes for several attractions.
The way that you use your virtual pass is you're gonna go ahead and pull up that QR code on your phone.
Yep.
And you're gonna head on up to the ride attendant that is standing out front. They will scan that QR code and then you'll just head right on into the ride.
So we just got off of Jimmy Fallon's. We actually kind of enjoy that ride, especially on a hot day because the queue it's very well air conditioned. But if you know us, you know we are getting hungry.
Oh yeah.
So now we are going to show you how to use the mobile order feature and how to pick your food up once you've ordered it. I was thinking we could switch it up a little bit today. We don't eat at Mel's except for generally like around Halloween Horror Nights. So you want to try Mel's today?
I'm in. The Universal app can save you a ton of time on waiting in lines for food. So when you open the app, you can go ahead and open up the mobile order and select a restaurant to order some food from. So we're gonna go ahead and order from Mel's Drive-In. We're going to select this barbecue brisket burger combo. We'll just split one of those. We'll get some French fries, and then we'll get a regular chocolate shake with this. You go ahead, add it to order. Now your item has been added to your cart. Now we can go up here and select our cart. But before we check out, we want to make sure that we apply that pass holder discount.
Bam!
So, as you can see, this pulls up a little scanner where you can put your annual pass right below your camera and go ahead and scan that to get that discount applied to your total. After you place your mobile order, the restaurant doesn't start making your food immediately. You do have to select that prepare my order option for the restaurant to start making your food, and then you can check the order status to know exactly when it's ready for you to go pick it up.
Okay, so here's the deal. We didn't realize that Mel's doesn't have like a mobile order express line, so you do have to wait to be seated in a normal line, and it is extremely long right now. Like it's peak lunch time, So we went ahead and canceled that order. We'll get food somewhere else.
So there are, at most of the restaurants that offer the mobile ordering, there are separate express pickup lines, so you don't have to deal with the standby line. But with Mel's in particular, you do have to wait in the line just like everybody else, even if you pre-order your food.
But since it is peak lunchtime, why don't we wait a little bit? I mean, we are both really hungry, but let's wait a little bit, let the lines die down. We've talked about this before. Let's check some wait times on the app, and then we'll go ride a few rides.
Another feature that we love about the Universal app is that you can see the wait times of all of the rides in the parks. This can be an easy way to check and see exactly how long you'll have to wait for your favorite ride. But on top of that, you can also set a wait time alert. So for example, Hagrid's is currently a 70-minute wait, but we can scroll down here to the wait time alert, and we can set an alert to tell us when it hits a certain threshold. So maybe you're only willing to wait 30 minutes for Hagrid's. So we can set this alert, and now your phone will notify you if the ride falls below that specific wait time.
Another great feature is that you can favorite your rides, so you can like them. Okay, undo that one. We are not doing Fast and the Furious. No, but seriously, you can favorite your rides, and those are the ones that'll pop up first when you start to look for the wait times. And you can even set it up to where you only see wait times for certain attractions. So while we're waiting for that Hagrid's wait time alert to get down to 30 minutes, kind of doubt it will, but we can hope. We're gonna ride one of the classics here and one of our favorite rides. We get a little flack for it being one of our favorite rides, but whatever. We're gonna go jump on ET, and we'll talk to you after that. And we just got off ET. What a classic thrill ride.
I'm not quite sure that ET classifies as a thrill ride, but I'll definitely give you the classic.
Agree to disagree. But seriously, with all of this that we've shown you, just get the Universal app. It is going to save you a lot of time. In most instances, as you saw today, mobile ordering might be somewhat of a disaster, but they have added a lot of things that will really help you out. You can even do things like add your ticket on there where you don't have to carry a physical ticket all day.
You can also do things like look at the park map to help you navigate around the apps. You can check the wait times like we talked about. You can mobile order, set up the ride alerts. I mean, there's just no reason to not get the Universal app. It's free.
Yeah. But since we didn't get to complete our mobile order, we are starving. We are famished. We are going to go ahead and go get some food. But with that, we are going to end today's video. Leave us a comment in the comment section and let us know what's your favorite feature of the Universal app.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. You can hit that subscribe button.
Thumbs up.
And turn on that bell notification so you get an alert every time we post a new video.
Thanks for watching.